All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I do apologize for the sweating. It's very, very hot, people. It's extremely hot. But can't do nothing about that. The Father above is doing his thing. Anyways, people, please do smash the like button. Don't forget, people, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We are 29.7, very close to 29.8. And we want to get it done before the end of the Gold Cup. We want to get it done before the end of the Gold Cup. We want to hit that 30,000 subscribers before the end of the Gold Cup. Because there's going to be a new target starting September. Schoolboy football kick in. I'll leave that there. So, anyways, Reggae Boyz head coach Emir Hal Grimson, he spoke in his pre-match press conference. We're going to look at something that he said specifically about this program that we're building, and the continuity of the program and what to expect in latter stages. So please do smash that like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. If you are here for the first time, we thoroughly appreciate it if you do so. Let's get straight into the interview. Let's go.
But we know we have a good squad. We know we have good players that can do good things, and this is a team in making. So we are thinking.
All right. So basically, this is a team in making. We understand that the team is in its earlier stages, and the quality is here. The problem is that because of the quality that we have in the team, the expectations are super extraordinary. Are way above what we are supposed to be or what we're supposed to be doing. Now the problem is that because expectations are so high, there's going to be a lot of people saying that we should have been doing this, we should be doing this, but the truth is that's not how football is. Let's continue to hear what Al Grimsey is saying.
Further than this, so we want to improve until forever. So we are thinking 2026, but it's good to have success.
All right, so you hear that. His main focus is 2026. That's his main focus. And you have to agree, because at the end of the day, when he was assigned with the contract to coach Reggae Boyz, his main priority was to get us to the 2026 World Cup. So that is his main aim. Now, let's listen to this next part as well.
Yes, now, and we want to go and win.
Let me bring that back.
2026, but it's good to have success now, and we.
Good. So what he's actually identifying here is that despite we have this long-term project, our long-term goal, it is good if we can, on that route or on that journey, pick up some good successes, lift 1 and 2 titles if we can, and it shows the progression of the team. In the event we are not successful in this campaign, we have to be cognizant. We have to be very, very much clear and understand that the main aim and the main goal is 2026. That is the main aim. That is the main goal. There's my one. What I'm going with. Okay. Yeah. So that is the main goal. So let's continue.
We want to go and win this tournament. We have said that from beginning. We want to go and win this tournament.
Hear from the coach. He wants to win the tournament. The team wants to win the tournament. The players are pushing for this. What does it mean if we should win this tournament? What does it mean? You know, it's a strange dilemma to be in. You want to win, but you also not want to lose. You also understand the circumstances. You don't want to drop out. You want to go all the way. And there's still going to be a feeling of disappointment in the event you don't win. In the event you don't advance as well to the final. But I'm hopeful that there's a conscious understanding from the fan base of where the team is at right now and what is happening with the team and the direction that the team is going. So the main aim, as mentioned earlier, is 2026. That is the main aim. I do understand you might get that feeling of that pumped up feeling, that adrenaline rush of what is happening right now, that you get the feeling that we can do it now, we should do it now, we have to do it now. I understand getting that feeling, but at the end of the day, we have to be very, very much cognizant of the journey and the situation that the squad that we're in right now. And one of the situation is that we are in the building phase. We're not the finished article as yet. We're still in the building phase. The reason why we look so progressive is because of the abundance of quality that we have in the squad. And with that much quality, expectations will rise. It's natural. It's very, very natural. But once we keep a balanced perspective, despite expectation rising, we still can understand that we still have a long way to go. Now, we are going up against 3 teams who are already the finished products. You see how much question that was asked in the press conference surrounding Mexico? Because they understand the direction that Mexico is going or where Mexico is at. And that's where the comparison is. That's where we want to be. We are going up against teams teams that are playing at this present moment, that in a position or at a particular level, that's where we want to go. So we have to be calculated, we have to be balanced, we have to understand the difference in aspects in situations surrounding the Jamaica team, surrounding the building of the squad, surrounding the quality that we have brought in, and also the expectations. We must try to see how best we can balance it. The ordinary fans and most general fans have high expectations solely because of the quality of the squad, and the expectations are that we should win the competition or minimum go to the final. But if you should set back a bit with a balanced perspective now, looking at the squad, it's a new squad, just been together maybe about a year now, trying to play some football together, trying to understand each other. New coach as well, new system. We're trying to get there. Going up against a team in Mexico who's already at that level, already have quality players, already have their system, even though it's a new coach, but the system remains the same, and they do have quality players just the same. So once we can come across that balanced perspective, we can have a level-headedness in approaching these games and be able to tamper expectations and also not tamper, just manage our expectations and also be realistic on the journey that we are on. So in the event later this evening we don't get the desired result, we still have to be cognizant of the fact that we need to rally around the team and show them the 100% support just the same. As the coach said, the main aim is 2026. That is the main aim. Big up, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Big up to our patrons and also our channel members. My respect to you guys. You guys help the program to go. And I want to say, people, thank you very much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. Peace out. God bless. Boom. Music.